technical difficulties. Okay, so Merry Christmas and Hark the Herald Angels Sing in this one. And I used 2 different papers here. And I used the Painted Christmas Designer Series paper that is in the new catalog. Let me find it. Painted Christmas is on page 17. It has some beautiful papers. Let me show you what they are. And as you can see, I've already used some. So this is the front, and that is the back. So that is the front and the back. Whoop. So did you see? Okay. I completely forgot that I was off camera. So this is the front and that is the back. And then we have pine cones, and on the back is like a brick and mortar chevron. And then we have the leaves and pine needles and a bunch of leaves on the back. And these are rather thick. And then this is the paper that I used, and it has cherries or berries on the back. Okay, so back to the cards. So then I went ahead, and I don't know if you can see it, but I have the evergreen forest embossed on this, on the back, and some bling. And I stamped, this is all one stamp. So what I did was I stamped it on a strip, and then I cut it off and put it on here so that it would be separate. And inside, may your heart be lifted in praise this Christmas for a wonderful gift of Jesus and joy he brings to our lives. And then this one is just every day. This is the elegant tag, and I did it in soft succulent so that I could offset it. And Hark the Herald Angels Sing. And then glory to the newborn King. And I've got a couple of little red berries on here. For unto us a child is born, and I put a strip of the DSP on the inside. So this is one I'm going to make, and it's Evening Evergreen. And as you can see, I've got my notes here. I'm not not sure what that is about. Okay. Oh, there it is. Okay, Evening Evergreen. And I am so sorry I was late. Like I said, my alarm did not go off on my phone. And I looked and I went, oh, I'm so late. Now you know that celebration is going on right now. And you can get free designer paper, free stamp sets. There's lots of designer paper in here, free stamp sets and dies with a $50 order. And then if you go to the back of the book, you can get these that coordinate with the summer, shaded summer set, and you have to place a $100 order. And the lovely dahlias. Hi girl, sorry, I was so late. Okay, so I'm going to put the inside of the card in. And I'm stamping with Evening Evergreen. And I'm going to put Christmas begins with Christ. Okay, and we'll put that on here. Well, it's kind of hard to center this thing, but that's okay. And inside, we're going to stamp, "Oh, come let us adore him." Okay, and that is going to go on here. Sorry, I'm off camera again. And this is going to get dimensionals. Very quick, easy card. I will have all the directions on my Stamp Scrap Go. And let me close this up. And we're going to put some bling. Bling, bling, bling. I'm going to go with 5. And that completes the card. So, like I said, you can do a lot with messy desk. You can do a lot with this set. I used the stars in here, and I used the star here, and I put a little bling there, and I actually highlighted the star here. I didn't use it, well, I did put it, I used the Daffodil Delight marker here. So there's a lot you can do with just a sentiment stamp if you use all the right paper. So for Unto Us is $21, and with the paper it's $11.50, so 21 $11.50 is like $32.50. So you'd need maybe some ribbon or bling to go with it, and you could get a free celebration item. Okay, I have both of these, so you might want to get them because they're a lot of fun to create with. All right, thank you so much for joining me. I can't wait to use, I see Colleen. Hi Sue, how are you? Ooh, I need to put up all my stuff. Okay, thank you for joining me. It was very quick. Oh, thank you, Sue. I love your cards, says Colleen. Beautiful. Thank you. I appreciate that. And I will have them up on my blog to probably tomorrow. So y'all have a great day. Have a wonderful weekend, and we'll see you soon.